Find features that distinguish it from other brands for JUN-ELECTRON 7-inch mini monitor, HDMI, IPS display 1024x600 capacitive screen, and why you should buy choose. Next, we are introduce some reasons why. Because it consists of the following features: 7-inch small HDMI monitor, 1024x600 resolution, a view angle of 178 degree, adjustable brightness, the screen don't have touch function. Plug and play and fast installation. Simply connect the screen to device via HDMI interface and power the USB port to achieve function and no need to install any driver. The switch button can turn on/off the monitor at any time, making it convenient for you to save power and reduce losses. It is a very energy-saving portable HDMI monitor. LCD display TV with HDMI, suit for PC desktop computers, portable TV when travel. Multiple devices connection. 7-inch screen suit for RPI, but also compatible for laptops, PCs, PS3/4, Xbox, and others. You can connect your devices to this portable monitor easily via Mini HDMI port to play business presentations, games, videos, TV series, photos, and more. Enhanced productivity. Boost your productivity with the spacious display, providing ample room for multitasking, coding, and viewing content with ease. If you want to get full highlight features and/or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. Thanks for watching. We hope this video satisfied for you, and make sure to press that like button and share this video with your friends. And important, don't forget to press subscribe to get instant notifications of all future uploads.